Hi guys, this is Josh here, and today I'm going to show you on how to charge your Y68 smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here again, and today I'm going to show you on how to charge your Y68 smartwatch because I think some people still don't know how to charge their 168 smartwatch. Okay, so alright, now let's go directly to the steps. So it's just very easy, guys. So this is your smartwatch, and on top of your smartwatch you just have to remove it and try to remove it like this, guys. Try to remove it gently. So as you can see, the pins are going into this direction, so you shouldn't bend it like this, or you shouldn't pull it too much like that. So you just have to carefully remove it, and you can put force in here and also to the sides, not directly to the area here. So just try to slide it like this, and that's just like that. Okay, it's just like that, guys. All right, so as you can see here, there are pins there. Okay, and actually, guys, on the other side, yeah, it's also the same, but there are no pins here, so it means that it's not our charging area. So as you can see, we have here our power bank. Yes, and you just have to make sure that the pins are connected to the power bank. Yeah, they have also some pins inside, and make sure that they are compatible and they are fit perfectly. And ta-da. Alright, so just like that, guys. And if you don't have any power bank, you can just use any kind of the adapter from your smartwatch. No, I mean from your smartphone, and you just leave it for like 1 hour or 2 hours, and then you can already use your 168 smartwatch. Alright, so guys, if you have any questions about the charging of your Y68 smartwatch, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the like button and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on my next video.